today I'm actually gonna be sharing with you guys how we can all get free PS Plus. It's a verified way and I found it super easy, so I thought I'd make this video and share it with you guys how I did it. And you guys should be able to do it as well, so just keep on watching and you'll get it right now. And what are you guys basically need is just your mobile phones, because it makes it super simple to get PS Plus this way. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it so you can follow along at home. So guys, all you're gonna need is go to the website. It calls enjoycoupons.com. Once you're on that website, in a search bar you have to search for PS Plus coupon code. And here you have to scroll a little bit down and press the show coupon button and then unlock code. Here you have to wait a little bit because the code is unlocking. Perfect, so you see here is the list of offers. You can choose 2 of them, but I do personally recommend you to complete 3 of them. So I'll choose this one. Here I have to download this app and reach level 9. Here I have to download this app as well and create level 13. And here I have to download and install this app, then register it with valid personal information to unlock this content. So guys, I'm just gonna go and do this really quick so you don't have to waste much time, and after completing everything I will come back to you. So guys, now I'm done, and you see that you have to type done and press submit after completing the offers. I've completed mine, so I'll press submit. Yeah, perfect. You see, I received my very personal promo code, and as you guys can see, it's really easy. So I hope you will enjoy using your promo codes.